This video is part of the video series for those who have little or no experience with statistical programming, such as beginner analytics students, and who aspire to acquire skills to use R for data collection, data management, visualization, and analysis without getting overly technical. This video series is based on Easy R textbook by Elizabeth Gochmer, Quan Lee, and Douglas Wise. In this video, I will explain what is R, its main strengths compared to commercial packages like Stata, SPSS, and the like. Then I move to a brief description of an approach taken in Easy R textbook, that is, this video series follows, and then provide step-by-step guide of installing R on your machines. What is R? R is a powerful free software for data management, visualization, and analysis. It has been popular in data science and its various applications. Not surprisingly, R has become one of the most, if not the most popular free multipurpose software. R is especially important to learn if one would like to use it in a data analysis project, including proficiently performing such tasks as data collection, data management, visualization, and data analysis. Only the most important features and functions of R for implementing reproducible analytics projects will be covered in this video and in the future videos from this series. What are some of the main strengths of R? The main strengths of R include, first of all, a well-developed and flexible suite of software, useful for data management, visualization, and analysis. Second, R users is a large community of like-minded people constantly contributing to the development of new open-source add-on packages, the number of which has been steadily increasing. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, R software is free. Even though R is widely available with a growing number of users in academia, business, government, and other organizations, it may have a steep learning curve. What is an approach taken in this course and this video series that follows this textbook Easy R? To make it easier for the beginner analytics students to progress with learning R, this course will start in an unconventional way compared to many other courses to teach R. Instead of teaching you how to use R as a calculator, data management, analysis, and a graphing tool, the starting point of learning R will be on how to use R to write papers and reports first. And thanks to a multipurpose nature of R, it is suitable for directly including many interactive elements in your reports, such as interactive visualizations that you can see on this dashboard, and create flex dashboards. The use with a Markdown. The use of Markdown will be subject of the third video in this video series that will focus on how to write a report in R by creating an R Markdown document for your essay report. Learning R journey is not possible without engaging R in your own research projects. Your professor will assign the homeworks that you will need to complete in R on a weekly basis after each video in this video series. Let's move now to the first step of learning R, how to download and install R on your machines. I will show how to download and install R for Mac. If your machine uses a Windows operating system, please follow similar instructions that I described on the first page of the Easy R textbooks chapter 1. First, navigate to crun.r-project.org. And here, you need to navigate to the subsection titled Latest Release. On the latest release, you will see a file titled r-4.000 package. This is the most current version as of today, May 6. Once you double-click on this package, it will start downloading. Then this window appears, and you are prompted to go through a series of steps to install R on your machine. Even though R software is very powerful, it is not very friendly on its own. So to make the use of R easier, we will use an integrated development environment, IDE for short, for R called RStudio. And this is what we will download next. So you need to navigate to rstudio.com page. And next, choose Products, RStudio. Here, before proceeding with downloading RStudio, you may choose to watch a short introductory video about RStudio, especially if this is the first time you see this program. And do not worry if some of the terms in this video sound unfamiliar.
RStudio is an integrated development environment for the R language. You can use it to create data analysis scripts, interactive web applications, documents, reports, graphs, and quite a lot more using R. The environment contains all of the data you currently have loaded and makes it easy to examine, load, and save data. You can inspect data in the environment pane by clicking on it. And this includes not only tabular data, but also inspection of other kinds of objects as well. The source editor is for working with R scripts and supports many other programming languages as well. It is a modern editing surface with snippets, built-in help, and auto-completion. The R console is for executing R commands interactively. It allows you to issue commands and observe the output. When your R code produces plots, you'll see them here. And if you get stuck, there's help, preloaded with all of the R language documentation. Your previous commands are saved here under History and are easy to search and re-execute. You can upgrade, install, and manage your R package library right here. Packages you've loaded will be checked, and you can load a package with a single click. The viewer can be used to view and develop interactive web content. RStudio also includes a convenient notebook interface, which allows you to combine your prose, R scripts, and output in a literate programming environment. If you use a version management system like Git, RStudio will show you the status of all of your files here and make it easy to sync with your collaborators. This area allows you to connect to databases, including relational databases like SQL and distributed tools like Spark. Finally, for advanced users, RStudio includes a terminal tab, which can be used to run shell commands directly in R.
To download and install RStudio onto your computer, please first navigate to the download page. Scroll to the All Installer section on the web page. From the list of installers, select and download the appropriate version for your computer operating system, unless this page recognizes your computer operating system like it does for me and makes the suggestions. So I will follow the suggestions and download RStudio for Mac. For installation, double-click the downloaded file and follow the prompted instructions. When prompted, please agree to allow the program to make changes to your computer and use the recommended default settings. Now we are ready to set up a project in RStudio, which will be the topic of the next video in this series.